how we can see this test. The student dashboard, what we have to do is we have to click on My Assignments. Once we just click on My Assignments, we have to select Weekly Test here from right hand corner. Once we're just done with that, we have to select the subject. You can see test 2022 is here in front of us. So if I click on Start Now, as a student, I can see all the instructions. I click on Start Test. I'll give my answer and I'll click on Next. I'll give answer for the next question. Click on Next. Answer the next question. Click on Next. Next question. And I'll submit the test. Once I just submit the test, it has been submitted to the teacher. Now again I will be going to the teacher dashboard.